Right. This is Brownstones. Climbed a lot here when I was younger. Video's probably not going to be too good on this bit because the sun's shining right into the lens. I used to be able to do a lot of climbing. I used to be able to climb all of this, but where the pool is now, can't. I don't know what's happened to the pool. But apart from the very last wall over there, or the very last two walls, you could climb on virtually all of this. And it was a nice traverse going all the way around. Anyway, moving on. This is the back wall. Get up there and have a look at it. There we go. Now turn it up here. So, never did a lot of climbing on this back wall. Reason being, there weren't any crash mats when I was climbing. You came with a car mat just to keep your feet dry before you started off. So I didn't fancy some of the landings on this section, so I never really climbed on it. But I suppose now with crash pads or crash mats, a lot safer. And you can see chart marks, so people are climbing here. And we'll move on, see what's up here. Ooh. There are a lot of evenings up here when I was younger. Normally meet somebody and climb with them. I'm going to go up this hill here. And then we're next to the next section. This is that's the ash pit slab over there. It's called Hank's Wall. Starting from there, going all the way down. Sun's back in the camera. A lot of people climbing here, I can see. Lots of chalk mark here. So there's a dino up there, starting off from low down. And as you can see, landing's really good. Well, very good. Then we get to the ash pit. Now, Western Great has got a traverse and it says keep high up. Well, when we were doing, we used to do a low level one. You start off and you ended up pinching that. I don't know if you can see my hand. Yep. Used to pinch that, come over, pinch that one there to get to there. But I think the Western Great Guide shows these for your feet. Yeah, and quite a few of these. Just move back a bit. Yeah, normally good getting out on top. Yeah, and you come round here. And get down via there. Right, so this bit's new here from when came here when I was younger. This was actually all soil, so somebody's actually dug this out, and it looks like they've created a traverse went across there. Carry on going up. Ugh. This is the next section. Some more climbs on this bit as well, some boulder problems. And round, come to the magic circle. And going to the last bits now. Go around here. And there is a traverse going all around there as well. All around there. It looks like a bit more has been dug out, to be fair. Let's have a quick look. Looks like people have been definitely getting more rock here. Yeah. No, this wasn't here. So this is new. Somebody's dug this out, spent time digging it out. Right. So that was Brownstones. And it's now made back to the car. Now, I'm going to go out a different way than what I came in. So I came in at the pool area. There's another way in. If you walk up the road, you see a signpost saying Brownstones, and that brings you to the ash pit area. I'll show you in a second. And I'll do a video of walking out. So normally, let's get down here. Yeah, so you can see the path here now. So this takes you out down the back road. So if you come here, if you take the road at the back of the cottages, walk up there for a while, you'll come to the where you get in. I'm sure it's down here from what I remember. So I'll walk down here. Yeah. So coming in this way, that's what you'll see when you first come in. So you'll see the ash pit slab and Hank's wall. Yeah, because at pool area now, you have to go up a bit. You used to be able to walk along the side of the pool to get in, but now you have to climb up a bit. So this is probably the easiest way in anyway. Near the road now. Right. The road's there, I can see the fence. That's that. So when you're walking up the road, just look out for that sign. Right, I'll see you all on the next one.